How to connect the iRig to your iPad. Now, this is very useful for guitarists. So you plug your guitar in here into the iPad, and therefore you can use some of the effects using the app called Amplitude. So I'm going to show you exactly how that goes. Now, it does have a mini stereo jack right here, and if your iPad has that, then you can just plug right in. If your iPad doesn't have that, then you just get an adapter just like this, and then you'll be able to plug that in and then into your iPad. But mine has a mini stereo out, so that's what we're going to use. And let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is plug in your iRig. Then we have the input right here, so we're just going to connect that. Okay, that's the first step. Second step is to connect your guitar. This is my guitar cable right here. So you got the guitar plugged in, and then if you want to listen to yourself play, you can use headphone jack in, but in this case what I'm demonstrating, I'm just going to use my amp. So if you want to use your amp just to get the effects from Amplitude, you need an adapter like this. All that's going to do is send the signal out from the headphones out to your guitar, but as we all know, the guitar input jack needs a 1/4 inch cord, so I got one here. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to connect that part, and this is going to go into your amp, and this part goes into the iRig out, and that is essentially the main setup right there. We're going to plug this into the amp so we can hear ourselves, and then we're going to launch Amplitude. Amplitude is free to use, or you can have a paid version, but let's launch Amplitude so you can see what that interface looks like. So there is your head that you're going to be using, and let's connect it to the amp and let's hear it. Okay, we have now connected the guitar to the amp, and we have it going into the iPad out to the amp. So this is what it sounds like without it. So you want to make sure you're on the clean channel. Okay, that's without the amp, and let's turn the amp on and let's listen to it. Okay, that's exactly what it sounds like, and you can change a lot of this here. So you can just move the dials up or down to change the presence. You can give it more reverb, or you can turn the gain up. And that's how you connect your guitar using the iRig to your amp using iPad.